Now we will explain the neighbor joining method with an example so you can understand it better. So first you have to consider this tree. So this is the tree we are going to consider. Here you can see B and D have accumulated this B and D. Okay, B and D has accumulated mutations at a higher rate than A. So you cannot use the 3-point criterion that is used in this UPGMA method. So here you cannot apply the UPGMA method to construct trees. So here this neighbor joining method is the recommended method. So from the row data of the tree, we will make a distance matrix. Here we are having 6 outgroups, that will n is equal to 6, that is A, B, C, D and E. E and F. F is also there. So there are 6 outgroups. Now what you have to do, you have to construct a distance matrix. So here you will write all the outgroups in the vertical and horizontal way, A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E and F. And then what you have to do is you have to arrange, or you have to calculate the distance between both of these. So in the first case, between A and B, if you calculate between A and B, there is 4 plus 1, 5. The branch length is 5. So you have put there 5. Now between A and C, you will be having again you have to count. Okay, you have to count from this tree. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. So the distance is 4. Likewise, you have to fill the matrix. So once you have constructed this row matrix, you will be calculating the net divergence, that is represented by Ri, for each of the outgroups from all the other outgroups. So how to calculate that? You can calculate it from this matrix. In the case of R, net divergence of A, you have to calculate all the 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8. So that will make 30. In the case of B, what you have to calculate 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 11, and you'll have to also add this 5. Okay, that will make I think 42. In the case of C, what you're going to add this row, that is 7 plus 6 plus 8, and also you have to add 4 plus 7, this 4 plus 7, that will make I think 32. Likewise, you have to add for all the groups. In the case of E, you will be adding 8, that is this column 8, and this column, this E column, 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5, like that. So that is how you will calculate the net divergence. Now you will have to create a new matrix using this net divergence for each pair of this outgroups. So that using this formula, you will have to create a new matrix. Okay, so the formula is Mij is equal to Dij minus Ri plus Rj whole divided by n minus 2. You will see an example. For example, I have to calculate from A to B. Okay, so from calculating A to B, I have to take the distance of A to B, that is the branch length from A to B, and then I have to minus the net divergence of A plus net divergence of B, the whole divided by n minus 2. N in this case is 6. You are having 6 groups, right? So you'll have 6. N is 6 over here. So you will get minus 13. Likewise, for all the other things, you have to calculate. Okay, if it is I am calculating from A to C, would have to calculate. I have to calculate the branch length of A to C minus R of A plus R of C whole divided by n minus 2. Okay, here we have already told that you can get negative values. It is okay to get negative values. Okay, that is, and then you have to calculate for all the other groups, and then you will make a star tree based on this data. So here we will make a star tree. This is a star tree. Now in the step 3, we will choose those two groups for which the Mij that we calculated in step 2 is the smallest has the neighbors. We have put somebody has neighbors over here in the star tree, right? So we will put those as neighbors for whom the Mij is the smallest. So in this example we are having A and B, D and E. So we'll make A and B as neighbors, and we'll make A and B as neighbors from a new node we'll take as U, and we'll make A and B as neighbors. And now we'll have to calculate the branch length from this internal node U to this external group A and B. So the formula for that is S of AU is equal to D of AB by 2 plus R of A minus R of B, the whole divided by 2 into N minus 2. Likewise, you'll have to calculate for S of BU. S of BU is a little bit simple. That is, you'll have to minus D of AB minus S of AU. That is equal to 4. So in step 3, what we are doing, we are taking those two groups whose Mij is smallest, and we'll make them as neighbors. So in this example, we are having A and B is having the smallest Mij, and D and E is having smallest Mij. So we'll make A and B as neighbors and D and E as neighbors, and we will calculate the branch length of this A and B from an internal node U. Okay, so that is the formula for that is D of AB by 2 plus R of A minus R of B, the whole divided by 2 into N minus 2. For the other one, B of U will be S of BU will be D of A and B minus S of AU. So that is equal to 4. Now what you have to do, you have already got an internal node U, and you will calculate the distances from this U to all the other terminal nodes. Okay, so we have already made A and B as neighbors. Now using this terminal node, that is A and B, we have to calculate the distances from U to all the other terminal nodes. So the formula for that is D of CU is equal to D of AC plus D of BC minus D of AB by 2. Likewise for for D it will be D of DU is equal to D of AD plus D of BD minus D of AB. Why we are using A and B? Because we have used A and B as neighbors, has our external node, and from this we will be calculating all the other distances. So that is why we are using A and B common over here. Okay, from that you will have to calculate the new distances. So this is the formula for that, and then you will make a new matrix. So this is the new matrix. So this C to U you have got 3, so you will write over here 3. From DU you have got 6, so you'll write 6. From EU you have got 5, you'll write 5. From FU you have got 7, you'll write 7. Likewise from DC, what is the length? Like from E to C, what is the length? From F to C, what is the length? You will fill the matrix like that. Now what you are going to do, you are going to make a tree. So in this tree, what is it? A and B will be neighbors, and the length of A and B is 4 and 1, that is equal to 5. Total length is 5. And now what we'll delete this A and B. Now the n will be 5. Earlier it was 6. Okay, now we will consider this as one terminal node, and then using this as one terminal node we will repeat this procedure starting from step 1 until there are only 2 terminal nodes. Okay, we will repeat this step until there are only 2 terminal nodes. So now we will take A and B as one, okay, as one group. Okay, and then we will start the procedure from step 1. Here what n will be equal to 5. N is not 6. Earlier it was 6 because you had A, B, C, D, E and F. Now A and B are neighbors and A and B are already grouped, so we will not be using A and B as different persons or different groups. you will be using that as 1, and from that you will be calculating the other ones. So you'll have to start the step 1 again, and you'll repeat this step 1 again, step 1 2 3 4 5. You will be repeating these steps until you are only having two terminal nodes. Okay, so that is how you will do neighbor joining method. Thank you.